Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to understand industrial automation in the simplest way. No complicated terms, just the basics you need. Have you ever wondered how factories produce thousands of products without mistake? The answer is industrial automation. Automation means let machines do the work for us automatically. Instead of a person turning on a pump, moving a conveyor, or checking a process, the machine handles it on its own. Imagine you have to fill 1,000 juice bottles by hand. You will be tired in 10 minutes. Some juice will spill and the bottle won't all have the same amount. But with automation, a machine fills all bottles perfectly, at high speed and without taking a break. That's the power of automation. Automation is used because it is faster, accurate, and safe. This helps industries save time, reduce cost, and increase production. A basic automation system has four main parts: sensors, controllers, actuators, HMI or SCADA. Sensors detect what's happening like temperature, position. Controllers like PLC, the brain which decide what to do. Actuators like motors perform actions like moving conveyor or opening valve. HMI or SCADA, the screen that allows humans to monitor or control the system. Automation is everywhere. Factories producing goods, food and beverage industries, power plant and water treatment plants, ATM and vending machines. Basically, if it works automatically, it's automation. To sum up, industrial automation is using machines to perform work automatically, making it faster, safer, and more reliable. That's it for today. If you want to learn more, follow this playlist. Bye.